The little bird's first flight. The little bird was so excited, it really wanted to learn to fly. "Come on, little one, spread your wings wide," Mama Bird cheered. With a big jump, the little bird left the nest. It tried again and again. Finally, the little bird flew high up in the sky. It flew to a big tree. The little bird chirped loudly. It was a proud bird now.